Hey, Senior Snoops fans, we spend a lot of time on the highways and byways in the Northwest trying to find quality places for us to do videos to share with you. And we go by a lot of these signs along the freeways for towns that we've never heard of. And so this time we actually made a stop and came up with a gem. So please enjoy Oakland, Oregon.
Welcome to Oakland, Oregon, a town where the past isn't just preserved, it's lived. Nestled in the Umpqua Valley, this quiet community of fewer than 1,000 residents holds one of the most intact 19th century streetscapes in the Pacific Northwest. But don't let its size fool you. Oakland's story is as vast and rugged as the Oregon Trail itself. Oakland was the first city in Oregon to be placed on the state's historic register back in 1968 and later added to the National Registry of Historic Places in 1979. Its two-block downtown is a living museum with over 90 buildings constructed between 1852 and 1890. These aren't replicas, they're the real thing. Brick and stone structures, many rebuilt after devastating fires in 1892 and in 1899, still stand proudly with the cast iron details forged in Eugene and Albany. The ornate fronts and iron steps are more than decorative. They're survivors of a town that refused to fade. Oakland's fortunes changed dramatically in 1872 when the Oregon and California Railroad laid tracks nearby. The town literally uprooted itself. Residents moved from buildings from the original settlement, now called Old Town, to be closer to the rail line. With the new depot came prosperity. Oakland became the largest shipping center between Portland and San Francisco, moving wool, grain, hops, prunes, and livestock. It even earned the nickname Turkey Capital of the United States for its booming poultry industry in the early 1900s. To truly appreciate Oakland, take a walking tour. The Oakland Museum offers maps that guide you past Victorian homes, former saloons, and the old Page and Dimrick drugstore. You'll see cast iron steps dated in 1892, hand-laid brickwork, and maybe even a ghost sign or two. Every corner has a story of settlers, shopkeepers, and school children who shaped this town with grit and grace. At the corner of 2nd and Locust, Stearns Hardware has been in continuous operation since 1887. It's more than a store, it's a time capsule. The original building survived both major fires, and the Stearns family has kept it running through timber booms, railroad bust, and the rise of big box competitors. Locals still come here for nails and advice, and visitors come for a glimpse of what commerce looked like before neon signs and chain stores. Oakland isn't a place you pass through. It's a place you step into. A town that's endured fire, railroads, and the shifting tides of time, yet still stands proud. For those who seek authenticity, history, and a sense of place, Oakland offers more than a visit. It offers a connection, one that lingers long after the road calls you onward.
We hope you've enjoyed our video. If you like our video, give us a like or a comment, or subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you on our team. Once again, thanks for watching Senior Snoops.